Welcome to Tech D Twins channel. In this video, I will provide you the step-by-step process to verify your YouTube account from Android. Now, let's start the video. At first, open Chrome or any other browser. Search www.youtube.com. Go to Sign In. Click on Use another account. Enter your YouTube channel Gmail and password. Go to three dot, then desktop site. Click on your channel photo. Select your channel. Click on YouTube Studio. On left down corner you can see setting symbol. Click on it. Select channel. Go to feature eligibility. Click on verify phone number. Select your country. Select the way to get verification code. Here I will select text verification code. Now enter your phone number. Click on submit. Now you will get verification code on your phone number. Enter it here. If you did not get verification code, then enter another phone number. After entering verification code, click on submit. If you have any problem, then comment below.